Hello YouTube. Whenever you're out on the road, you get tired of eating truck stops and fast foods, so I have a portable stove. I am going to cook some beef stew. And I'm going to open it up. I'm going to take a metal pan, get them at Walmart, like 3 of them for like $1.97. I may open up the beef stew. We're going to put it in here, and it's only going to take about 30 minutes. Okay, we just got the can put in, and we're going to close it. We're going to lock it up. And we're going to plug it up with a cigarette lighter. And in about 30 minutes, we will be ready to eat supper. Now, this thing is a lifesaver. I've had it for several years. You can buy them in truck stops. These cost about 20 bucks. I think now they're like 30. And we will see the finished product. Alrighty, let's see what we got. We should be about done. Oh yeah, it looks good right there. Let's add the finishing touches. Go ahead and unplug it. Get this cooler. Yeah, this cooler right here, refrigerator slash freezer. This is a bad mammy jammy. If y'all don't. Now let's see what we got. Let's get some cheese. Alright, let's open it back up. Take some little bit of cheese. Now you can cook more than beef stew in here. I have cooked a lot of stuff. Lasagna, chicken, scrambled eggs, roast, steak, a lot of stuff. Now, I mean, it comes in very, very handy. Throw some crackers in on it, and voila. You have supper. Alrighty, well, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'm just enjoying my supper. All of y'all have a good day.